Hey guys, Jacob here. I'm going to be replacing these old blinds up here with these new blinds here. So basically it's like a tension rod, like one that you would use for like shower curtains. We're going to be able to put this up with no drill and just increase the tension here. It did come with a little wrench that we can use to actually tighten this as well. And so let's go ahead and put it up, see what it looks like, and I'll let you know how easy it is or how tricky it is in terms of installation. So let's go ahead and look. So I'm just removing these old brackets here because we're not going to need any brackets. So I'm just taking these down first. And these are probably the easiest to install blinds I have ever actually installed. So you, again, just have a tension rod. You can press on the ends and it will release tension so that you can squeeze it into the area you need. So you definitely want to order the right sizing here when it comes to these blinds. But overall, very easy to set up. All right, well, that's pretty good. It literally took me about 5 minutes total. The longest part was actually taking off the brackets for the old blinds. They're movable, but they're not going anywhere. Like there's plenty of tension to where they're not going anywhere. Look at how easy these are to actually pull up. So I'm not actually gonna press on anything. I'm just going to lightly push up and then the blinds self-retract just like that. So really easy to retract, nothing that you need to press or anything like that. It's got this handy little handle here that you can pull on. But otherwise, I mean, this thing is awesome. It fits the space perfectly because these are custom. So you will want to be very precise with your measurements if you want a fit. Hey guys, Jacob here. And I just realized putting these blinds up, super easy to install, but these are actually backwards. So make sure that if your blinds look like this, they actually need to be flipped around. So let me go ahead, flip these around, and then thankfully it's really easy to do that because there's no drill or there's no screws, there's no need to drill anything. Okay, so I've got this flipped around. So if you have it facing the right way, you should be able to lift up this part here and you can see all the components along here, right? That's the correct way to have it. This should be hanging out here. And then again, you can easily just adjust this, no buttons or anything like that. That's what it looks like rolled all the way up at the top. That's what it looks like all the way down. It's not completely blackout. It definitely has some transparency to it. So you can see it more on camera, I feel like, but you can definitely see through it a little bit, let some light through. Otherwise, I hope that this helps. I hope you guys enjoy this as much as we have, even if it was backwards. And I hope you have an amazing rest of your day.